RS485 cable wiring. To achieve communication between the third-party modbus controller and the Sigenergy devices through RS485, please connect the RS485 cable to the COM ports of the Sigenergy device. Communication interface detailed description is as follows. In case of controlling multiple Sigenergy devices, when Sigenergy devices are already connected together via FE, then only one RS485 cable needs to be connected between the third-party controller and Sigenergy devices. Step 2. Set Modbus native slave address. In case of controlling multiple Sigenergy devices, a different slave address needs to be assigned to each device. Click Settings of each device and set the Modbus native and slave address to a different value. Step 3. Set RS485-1 port mode. Find the Sigenergy device connected to the third-party controller. Click Settings. Set the RS485-1 port mode to Modbus RTU slave. Click Save to save changes.